Hey, it's Ben here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of a new app coming out called Impulsely. And what this is this is a cloud-based app that's a drag and drop funnel builder for e-com stores, specifically Shopify stores. And why this is different is because there is no other drag and drop e-com funnel builder. Yes, there's funnel creation tools like ClickFunnels and things like that. But the problem is that they don't really integrate with Shopify unless you use like kind of a developer and some third-party connections. So if you wanted to ever add like upsells to your products on Shopify, you either have to kind of find a custom coder or spend a lot of time editing the pages. But this one is a drag and drop funnel creator for Shopify that's going to allow you to build funnels. So say, for example, you were selling a drone, you can have an upsell for the drone wings or a camera or a related product. And what that's going to do is you can spend more money on Facebook. You can acquire customers because your average customer order is going to be a lot better because they're getting hit with upsells. And if you ever bought a product, from JV Zoo or somewhere else, obviously you probably got hit with upsells. If you went to McDonald's, you got hit with upsells if they asked you for fries. And that's because it increases the average order value, allowing you to go out and acquire customers faster and build your store faster. And the way this works is, what you want to do is just go to settings and then integrate your actual Shopify store here. You just connect it with one click and then it's going to use its code. So what you want to do here is go to funnels and then you can build your funnel this way. So I'm just going to choose a new funnel here. Say we're selling drones. I'm going to create a drone funnel here. And then what you want to do is drag this node here to the middle of the page. And then what's going to do, it's going to pop up and allow you to create a node here. So we're going to say that this is our front end product. So drone front end. Then you can drag another one to the middle here. It's going to pop up. And then you can say, hey, if they buy the drone front end, they're going to be hit with, drone wings as an upsell. Then you can drag another one over here. And then if they don't buy the drone wings, they can have a downsell that goes to this one. And, this is another drone, drone 2. Then we can add another product. So say we have, something else in our store that we're building and creating. We can have this as a third upsell. And then we can have this, if they don't buy drone 2. And then let's say, if they don't buy drone 2, they can be taken to this upsell, or this downsell can be an upsell here. And anyway, you can drag and drop these different nodes and create complex funnels that quick. And then the funnel's already saved, and then it's ready to go in Shopify. Then what you want to do here is go to Pages, and then you can go ahead and click on any page here, for say, for drone 2. And then you can build, you can use the drag and drop interface to build actual pages. Now, what do these pages look like? Well, here's some examples that have been created. So here's a picture of a drone one. Here's like an upsell. And what you'll see here is you can customize this however you want. But then you can see this one-click upsell feature where they can say, dang, not today, and then they'll be taken to the next upsell or their thank you page. Or they can click buy now, and then they'll be logged into your Shopify site if they're not already. And then they can actually, it'll autofill their credit card information and name, and they can buy it with one click instead of having to buy and then put in their information and buy it all again. So these have this has one-click upsell ability. Here's another example here. Here's like a propeller. This one has a countdown timer to it. And then again, so this is like kind of, this is kind of the quality grade that you'll get. So decent enough, not the fanciest page, but we'll probably get the job done. And then to build the page here, you get these different interfaces where you can drag things like images. And if you click the image corner, you can move it around. You can put it up here in this section here. So it comes with 3 different sections, but you can add more. You can make these bigger or smaller like that. You can add images. So this would be like the drone image on the side. Make that bigger. And of course, if we click it, then you can upload your media. So we're going to go to image here, click the media here, and then you can upload, create a new category, and then edit the image however you like. You'll upload different, change the size position here. You can add layers actually if you want. It's more advanced. But let's go back to the elements. You can add like text over here, kind of like that drone page I showed you in the example. and then you can kind of build it out however you like. Now, there's going to be themes here. Now, right now at the time I'm reviewing this, they don't really have any themes too much. There's a couple things, but they said that they're going to be integrating more, and it's going to be kind of like lead pages where you can, just drag and drop a theme over there, and it will work really good. So at this time right now, what you have to do is kind of build the page from scratch. So you'd have to build it out kind of like this once, and then you can save it as a layout. Actually save this page and then go back and use it multiple times and edit it for different products. So that was kind of one of the drawbacks, so to speak. That yes, the drag and drop editor is in place here, but at the time right now they don't have a lot of themes for you to like just click and easily change around, kind of like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages has. So, but there are a lot of customization options. There's the ability to go in here actually and change, edit the page settings, and you can add custom CSS, to match your Shopify store, custom JavaScript, SEO settings. You can add custom fields and JavaScript, meaning that you can add your like Facebook retargeting pixel, so you can retarget people who didn't buy your front, or who did buy your front end offer, but didn't buy the upsell. You can retarget them on Facebook for extra money, and a lot of kind of more crucial settings. Then when you're ready, you can actually go into Shopify and then do a test purchase, meaning that you have it integrated, but you can go in and just test it to make sure it's redirecting okay, that the funnel is how you like it, and then you can activate it right inside your Shopify dashboard. And then if someone buys that drone on your Shopify site, then they'll be redirected to that drone upgrade, and then they'll get hit with the downsell, and it will be kind of like creating a full funnel only for Shopify. So overall, this is a tool that it's definitely innovative because there's nothing else like it out there. And if you're on Shopify and you really want to take that seriously, you want to really build out your e-commerce site, then creating upsells and downsells is something that's really going to help you increase your average customer order. That will help it. And they definitely have everything in place. It looks like they have a pretty big team behind this that's going to be working with you in the future, and they're going to be adding a lot more stuff. The only things I didn't like was, I wish there was more templates right now at the moment. Again, they did say they were going to add some more, but as I'm reviewing it, they kind of only have a little bit, and they'll be adding more elements, they said, to so you can drag and drop. But right now it's kind of like the basics. So this is kind of like what the page will look like, so to speak. Kind of plain, but you can still enough so you can probably get the job done, and then you can drag and drop this. Once you connect your Shopify store, then you can drag and drop this order button here and change it around, and then they can do the one-click purchase. Now, if you want to learn more about Impulsely, and this looks like something that might be able to help your business, then you can check it out. It's going live for a early bird discount, and you'll get lifetime access to this entire suite with all the upgrades that will be coming and support. There's a tutorial page and a lot more, so you can check out. And also you'll be getting Shopify related bonuses that I've set up and Shopify apps as a bonus if this is something that you want to use for your store and you're serious about turning your store into a real business and you want to start adding these elements to it. So thanks for watching this review. It's going live at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll be getting the lifetime discount, lifetime access to it, and all the bonuses as well, if it's something that will help your business and you're doing e-commerce with Shopify. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.